Welcome back. Today, we are diving into something seriously cool that creator Nitty recently shared. If you've ever wanted to create high-quality educational content but felt totally overwhelmed by complicated video editing software, you are in exactly the right place. We're going to walk through a complete step-by-step guide for absolute beginners to turn raw data into captivating visual stories. It's all about making the complex beautifully simple. Okay, let's dive into this. You might already be familiar with AI tools that help organize your notes, right? Maybe you've used them to spit out a mind map or a quick summary. But did you know NotebookLM can actually create fully animated short videos now? Yeah, it's not just for text and static infographics anymore. We're talking real video generation here.
To keep things perfectly clear today, here is our roadmap. We'll cover 1, the NotebookLM video feature, 2, Step 1, add your sources, 3, Step 2, customize and generate, 4, Step 3, output language settings, and 5, results, drawbacks, and next steps.
All right, Part 1, the NotebookLM video feature, transforming sources.
So the real magic here is taking dense, heavily detailed source material and just instantly transforming it into engaging video content. To show you exactly how this works, we're going to follow a pretty heavy scientific case study today, the effect of El Niño on climate and agriculture. It sounds intimidating, right? But as you'll see, this feature handles heavy scientific data effortlessly. It's the perfect example for our beginner's guide.
Moving right along to Section 2, Step 1, add your sources. This is where you actually start, and honestly, it is incredibly straightforward. First up, you just open the application and create a fresh, clean notebook. Think of it as a blank canvas. Next, you upload your existing sources. But here's the really cool part for absolute beginners. If you don't actually have any files to upload yet, don't panic. You can just use the built-in web search right there to gather material on the fly. You are literally never stuck.
Next up, Section 3. Step 2, customize and generate.
Okay, once your sources are in, the AI is ready to start building a narrative. Just head over to the Video Overview option in your dashboard. You'll see a little right arrow. Go ahead and click that. Instantly, it gives you 3 totally distinct video formats to choose from: cinematic, explainer, and short video. For our guide today, we are going to focus on the short video format because it's absolutely perfect for delivering punchy, highly engaging lessons.
Now, what's really interesting about this slide is just how much control you actually have. By default, the AI will just guess what you want based on your sources, but you can actually enter a custom topic to steer it. So instead of a super broad overview of El Niño, you can type in specific instructions like how agriculture can be made drought resistant. This gives the AI laser focus, ensuring your video hits the exact learning objectives you want.
Which brings us to Section 4, Step 3, output language settings.
This step is absolutely crucial if you're trying to reach an audience in a specific language. By default, it's going to generate in English, but changing it is so easy. First, click on Settings. Second, find the Output Language menu. And third, to select your desired language from the list before you hit Generate. In the original demo, Nitty switched it to Hindi to cater to a specific audience. It's a seamless little process to make your content locally targeted.
Finally, Section 5, results, drawbacks, and next steps.
Let's look at the actual output from our specific prompt about drought resistance. And this brilliantly illustrates just how smart this tool is. It didn't just give us generic fluff. It pulled highly technical agricultural data. It literally explained the broad bed and furrow method, detailing the 90-centimeter wide beds for seeds and the 45-centimeter trenches to trap rainwater. It showed exactly how this creates a deep moisture reserve to protect crops, like pigeon peas, from El Niño droughts without drowning the top roots. The level of specific detail it kept is just fantastic.
But here's the kicker. It's not just the text. To really make an educational topic click, you need strong visuals, right? Well, the AI automatically drops in stunning visuals, dynamic motion graphics, and smooth animations. You literally don't need to be a video editor to get these results. The system just intuitively knows when to throw up a graphic to show those 90-centimeter farming beds, making the science instantly pop.
Now, as with any brand new tech, we do have to neutrally manage expectations here. There are a few limitations. The source material pointed out a specific drawback. When you generate the video in English, the on-screen captions look flawless. However, when the language was switched to Hindi, the text captions just did not render properly on the screen. The audio translates beautifully, but clearly text rendering in certain languages still needs a little ironing out. So what's our overall takeaway? Look, even with a minor captioning bug here and there, this is a brilliant, crazy fast alternative for creating educational content. You're getting visually appealing explainers generated in practically no time, transforming giant walls of text into accessible knowledge. For educators and focused learners alike, it is an absolute game changer of a tool to have in your back pocket.
And that brings us to the end of our step-by-step guide. You now know exactly how to open a notebook, load up your sources, tweak the settings, and generate a fully animated short. The tools are right there waiting for you. So, I'm going to leave you with this. What educational topic will you teach first? Jump right in and start your very first creative project today. Thanks for joining me for this explainer, and keep learning.